How to DM on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can DM on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send a direct message to a person or your friend on Twitter, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and launch a Twitter application here. Then you have to understand one thing: to be able to DM someone on Twitter, you both need to have followed each other. If only one of you have followed, you will not be able to send it, so make sure you're aware of that. And then just tap the envelope icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the envelope icon from the bottom right, over there you'll be able to see a list of all your friends, or you can just tap on this plus icon and then just select the person that you would like to send a message to here, and then you can simply go ahead and then start sending them a message. One exception is that even if you have not followed each other, you can still message them if the owner has actually allowed this setting. And this setting is tapping the profile icon, going to settings and support, going to settings and privacy, going to privacy and safety, then going to direct messages. If the other person has allowed message requests from everyone by turning on this toggle, you can basically send them a message to anyone on the Twitter. Otherwise, you will not be able to do so unless the other person has enabled this, or else you both need to have followed each other. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.